Hey everyone, it is Selena here at More Fabrics. Welcome back to the Daily Deal. For those who've been following me on social media, you have seen that I've been putting together these packs where you get to choose your bag. I had the beautiful like soft orange, and then I had the like a light green, like a minty green almost. These cute bags, they're like drawstring, that will be included into this kit. Again, you get to choose your bag when you get this kit. This kit's going to be $28 and it is packed full of goodies. As you can see here, the gift with purchase is going to be 10 vintage brown buttons. I had a request in social media. I pretty much left it out there for you guys to let me know what would you guys like me to include into this kit. I didn't add any browns, and one of the requests was, can you add some browns? So I did. I looked for some soft browns, and then I thought the gift with purchase would be really cute brown and beige kind of buttons in your pack. So that's the gift with purchase. And here's the brown applique that I put in every kit. What you see is exactly what you're getting in your kit. I got like a purplish, pale purple to go with the light purple into this theme. And then I put a little green. So you got like 5 appliques, as you can see here. I did add this beautiful brown velvet trim. This is like a velvet. I figured that would go with the browns. And then in here, I did like a light orangey-ish brown color. Now these pieces are 10.5 by 10.5. I have them folded in half. I'm going to go show you each one here in a minute. My favorite is that green. That green is what started it all. Look at that beautiful applique. Isn't it beautiful? Almost reminds me of a pumpkin. I imagine you can do something to make it look like a pumpkin. I'm not sure. But then there's this applique. Here's the green, like I told you. It's cute. I just thought it kind of hit the fall with a little bling. There's a little bit of lavenderish purple I put in there, and you'll know why here in a minute. Here's that brown, like I told you. That beautiful brown applique that you can add in with the browns. Here you can see here, kind of close up. See how I put the browns. So if you're doing something brown, you got the brown colors. I'll leave that there. And then of course I put a little bit of gold. Here you go. Open up one of them to show you. A 10.5 by 10.5. Here's the gold. So I figured the gold and brown will look really good together if you're doing something with golds and browns. And then here is the lavender, the purplish lavender that I added to it. It has these beautiful appliques in it. Either you can cut them out or not. But that's when I put that applique in there along with this beautiful trim. All the trims are 10 inches in this pack. Here, I'll put that aside. I'm kind of making a mess, ain't I? Here's the brown. Here's the brown applique. The brown trim. What else did I have in brown? I'm not sure. All right, let's go to the next color, though, at least. Here is the orange. The orange is absolutely gorgeous, too. Look at that. It's like a rusty color orange. And then here is this trim that you get in your pack of orange. There's more in here in orange. I know I have more. Oh, I love this one. Look at this one. Look at that orange one. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. I know I had another orange in here somewhere. Oh, yes, this here, which I thought was pretty. It had like the yellow, orange, and it has that little light lavender in there as well. And here's some of the yellows. I'll show you the yellow trim here. Got that yellow trim. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this one. Those beads. Again, the trims are 10 inches. I was hoping to do longer. That one's got cute little scallops. But as much as I can get for every kit. That's my cat, Caitlin. No, Katie. You got the hang on, baby girl. So here's the greenish yellow applique. Here's another of the orange. Not pretty. Look at that sparkle. Just sparkled everywhere. There's that one, it kind of looked like a pumpkin. Here's that green. Here we go. That green piece I told you about. The 10 applique. Look at that. And that applique would be great. It looks like you can use all those colors in it. The yellow, the oranges, that little lavender in there. Figured that would look good together. Here's that gold to go with the browns. Isn't that pretty? Just so pretty. Here's that yellow, which I've covered up all the yellow now. Look at the mess I made. It all seemed to work together. Even though I'm doing this one-handedly, it all seemed to go together. Again, the gift with purchase is it's going to be 10 beautiful brown beige golden buttons. And then, like I said, when you go to purchase, there's a drop-down menu, and maybe not be, if there's not a drop-down menu, just at checkout, just put the color you want, orange or green. I'll probably put that in the notes there at the listing as well. Like I said, $28. It is packed full of goodies. I only have 13 available. I only did this limited supply fall kit just for you guys. It was a request, and I normally don't do fall. And I thought, well, let's see what I can do with fall. There you guys go. The crazy mess I made. You guys have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this daily deal. You guys have a blessed weekend. I know I will. All these are all packed, ready to go. So they'll ship out next day. If it is like a Saturday or Sunday, the post pickup is Monday morning first thing, guys. All right, guys, enjoy. I'm sorry I made a crazy mess, but hey, I'm going to put this back together and make it so pretty for you guys. You guys have a good one. Bye.